Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's get started. And firstly, I'm gonna show you it on the Android phone. Make sure that your earbuds are connected for now and charged at least for 15 to 20%. Now, to reset them, we would need to open Galaxy Wearable app. Here, check if your earbuds are connected to this app and go in the earbud settings. And now you can see this reset option, so you just need to select it and confirm if you want to reset your earbuds to the factory settings. So just press this red button and wait a couple of seconds. And now the earbuds are reset. And now I'm gonna show you this on the iPhone. So let's go in the settings. Here choose Bluetooth. Then you would need to select your device and make sure that it is connected for now. Here you would need to tap this button disconnect, and after that you would need to select the button to forget this device. Now close the case, wait at least 10 seconds, and after that you will need to take them out of the case and connect to your phone again. This is really soft way to reset your earbuds to the factory settings. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.